MongoDB Enterprise Server now enables you to run advanced search workloads, including vector search, on-premises. Let's take a look. On the left side of the screen, you can see a demo application which browses through the inventory of a grocery store. Users can perform full-text search as well as semantic search queries for smart product discovery. A green label at the bottom right corner of the app indicates whether the query was executed with a connection to Atlas or Enterprise Server. And on the right side of the screen, you can see the application code running the demo on localhost. The environment variables file can be observed as well, with a connection string declared in MongoURI variable. As you can observe from the MongoDB.net part, queries are currently running with a connection to Atlas, and that had been the only way available to run smart search queries. Until now. By updating the connection string to point to a self-managed infrastructure, and here you can observe that from the custom domain, the app now runs the same AI-powered workloads on MongoDB Enterprise Server with a unified data platform. Notice the green label is also indicating the query was executed with a connection to Enterprise Server. These are the same search and the vector search features already battle-tested and generally available in Atlas, our fully managed cloud database, powering the same capabilities and operators, including fuzzy search for handling typos, relevance tuning for precise ranking of results, and vector similarity scoring for deep semantic matches. To get started with a public preview, you can use MongoDB controllers for Kubernetes Operator, or MCK, to deploy new search nodes. Take this YAML file as an example. The search nodes must be deployed in a Kubernetes environment, but they can also target MongoDB Enterprise Server instances deployed outside of Kubernetes. This step enables search capabilities by creating a MongoDB Search custom resource named MDBRS to associate it with the MongoDB instance. After allowing some time for the resources to be ready, you can view the running pods in your MongoDB namespace with the following commands. You should see pods for the MongoDB replica set members, the MongoDB Kubernetes Operator, and the MongoDB Search nodes. Now that your MongoDB Enterprise database with Search is deployed, you can start using its search capabilities. You can find detailed instructions in our public preview documentation on how to import data and create search indexes. Explore advanced new capabilities across industries that enable modern AI-powered use cases. For example, in retail, drive real-time personalization by analyzing digital receipt data to generate tailored product recommendations for each purchase. In finance, detect fraudulent patterns often missed by traditional rule-based systems, or enhance KYC and AML processes through semantic similarity by matching entities against watch lists, identifying beneficial ownership relationships, and flagging suspicious activities. In healthcare, identify critical patient information through natural queries, accelerating urgent care decisions, all while meeting HIPAA compliance and safeguards healthcare data. All of this is possible without separate search systems and complex data pipelines using technology proven at scale. So, are you ready to disrupt industries and unleash the power of software and data?